Here's this Roccat Horde keyboard, which looks like this, and as you can see it is constantly flashing. The backlight is flashing. How to stop it from flashing? Well, you have some buttons here on the top and they are red, and those have to be used. So tap on this FX button, which has a horizontal sign above it. So not this one with the circular sign around it, but this one, the third from the right. 1, 2, 3. Press that one. Now only that one is flashing, and now rotate the wheel just one step, and now we have a different lighting pattern. Now it's flashing slowly. Let's rotate it to the left, one more to the left, and now it's constantly on. Press the FX button again and it's done. So FX, rotate it to the right and it's flashing. FX, rotate it to the left and it's not flashing. Roccat Horde. And that's the back of the keyboard.